When it comes to the security of your home, the front door is the first line of defense. Unfortunately, many homeowners overlook the importance of a secure entry door, opting for aesthetically pleasing doors that may not offer the level of protection they need. If you're concerned about the safety of your family and your belongings, upgrading to a high-security entry door is one of the best investments you can make. A high-security front door doesn't just enhance the curb appeal of your home. It provides peace of mind, knowing that you are better protected against break-ins and forced entry. In this article, we'll explore why your front door is so important for your home's security and the benefits of upgrading to a high-security entry door. The vulnerabilities of standard front doors. Many standard front doors, especially older models or inexpensive ones, are vulnerable to intruders. Most traditional entry doors are made from materials like softwood, hollow core, or thin steel, which can be easily compromised. Intruders can break these doors with little effort, leaving your home at risk. Common issues with standard front doors include weak materials. Basic doors can be made of materials that are too easy to break or bend under force. Hollow core doors, for example, are thin and lightweight, making them easier to kick in or damage. Inadequate locking mechanisms. Many standard doors come with basic locks that can be bypassed using a simple lock-picking tool or by brute force. Vulnerable frames and hinges. If your door's frame is weak, or the hinges are exposed, a burglar could easily exploit these weaknesses to gain access to your home. A high-security entry door addresses these vulnerabilities by offering stronger materials, better locks, and reinforced structures, ensuring that your door provides real protection. Stronger materials for better protection. The most significant difference between standard doors and high-security entry doors is the quality of materials used in their construction. High-security doors are designed to withstand attempted break-ins and resist damage from impact. Solid core construction. Unlike hollow core doors, high-security entry doors are made with a solid core, such as steel or fiberglass, making them much harder to break or dent. These materials offer greater durability and strength, ensuring that your door can withstand significant force without giving way. Reinforced steel frames. High-security doors typically come with reinforced steel frames, which are far more difficult to break than standard wooden frames. These frames are secured tightly to the door opening, making it much harder for intruders to pry the door open. Impact-resistant glass. Many high-security entry doors also feature impact-resistant glass in windows or sidelights. These glass panels are designed to resist shattering, making it difficult for burglars to break the glass and unlock the door from the inside. By upgrading to a high-security entry door, you ensure that your home is better protected against forced entry. Advanced locking systems for added security. The locks on your front door are just as important as the door itself. A high-quality locking system is essential for keeping your home secure. Basic locks on standard doors can be easily bypassed, but high-security entry doors come with more advanced locking mechanisms that provide superior protection. Multi-point locking systems. High-security doors are often equipped with multi-point locking systems, which engage several points along the door frame. This makes it much harder for burglars to force the door open. A single lock is no match for a system that secures the door in multiple places. Deadbolts and reinforced locks. High-security doors also feature deadbolt locks, which provide an additional layer of security. A reinforced strike plate and locking pins further prevent the door from being pried open or kicked in. Keyless entry options. Some high-security doors offer keyless entry systems, such as smart locks, which can only be accessed using a code, fingerprint, or mobile app. These systems make it harder for intruders to gain access by simply picking a lock. By upgrading to a high-security entry door with advanced locks, you can significantly increase the difficulty of unauthorized access to your home. Increased home value and curb appeal. In addition to the obvious security benefits, a high-security entry door can also enhance your home's curb appeal and value. An attractive front door is one of the first things people notice when they approach your home, and a stylish, well-secured door can elevate the look of your property. Aesthetic appeal. High-security doors come in a variety of styles, materials, and finishes, allowing you to choose a door that complements your home's architectural style. Whether you prefer a sleek, modern door or a more traditional design, high-security doors can enhance the overall appearance of your home. Increased resale value. Homes with upgraded security features, including high-security entry doors, tend to have higher resale values. Buyers are increasingly looking for homes with reliable security systems and energy-efficient features, making high-security doors a smart investment if you plan to sell your home in the future. Peace of mind and long-term protection. At the end of the day, the most significant benefit of a high-security entry door is the peace of mind it provides. Knowing that your home is more secure from potential intruders allows you to sleep easier at night and feel more comfortable leaving your home unattended. Peace of mind. A high-security entry door acts as a deterrent to burglars, who are less likely to attempt to break in if they see a well-secured door. With a stronger door and advanced locks in place, you can rest assured that your home is well protected. Long-term value. High-security entry doors are built to last and are much less likely to need repairs or replacements. The durability and strength of these doors ensure that they will continue to provide protection for many years, making them a worthwhile investment in the long term. Conclusion. Your front door is more than just a decorative entryway to your home. It's your primary line of defense against potential intruders. Upgrading to a high-security entry door is one of the best ways to protect your home, increase its value, and improve your peace of mind. With stronger materials, advanced locking systems, and enhanced durability, high-security entry doors provide superior protection against break-ins and forced entry. Don't wait until your home is at risk. Invest in a high-security front door today and ensure your home remains safe and secure for years to come.